Alright guys, we should be live anytime soon. Let me quickly share it on our Discord channel as well. How about this, that let's move it to the left screen. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, so first of all, we are live. That is a good news. Why is it not working? Can I just move it to... Okay. Control Shift F. I don't know why it's not working. Anyways, yeah, okay. This is there. And Shift F, Command Shift T. Okay, for now I'm just gonna... Okay. Yeah, this should work ideally. I don't know why it's not working. Let me quickly fix it and then we will start. Komorebic stop. Komorebic start. Yeah, there you go. Should be better. There you go, right? Now this works. Sorry for the echo, guys. There are a lot of people who have... I am sorry, I'm just late today. I understand it's my fault. So I'm sorry about that. Okay. I also realize I've been very close to my mic recently. So I should kind of have some distance. Let me share it on WhatsApp as well, so that people who are not on Discord can follow me there. One second, guys. I have shared this with my friend. Guys, I'm not looking at the chat right now. Yeah, now I'm looking at it. I don't know what to put as a status, but let me just figure out something. People are inviting me for game. Let me get... all right. Okay. Ta-da! For everyone, guys, I had a... Hi Ananya, that's after so long you're here. Welcome. How have you been? It's been so long, right? I mean, how... I don't have... Ta-da! They're still growing. My grandmother didn't survive, so I wearing this. Was busy with college. That's good to know. You should always stay busy with work and studies. That looks really cool. Not gonna lie, is it? The cap looks really cool, right? Appreciate it. See, I always have to scroll for some reason. Okay, let me also fix this thing. Okay. Ball look. Oh, is it? Almost about to in first year. That's good. What are you doing? What are you pursuing? BTech in computer science, BTech in... I mean, it could be something else. I did BTech. That's why I kind of guessed BTech. Sorry about that. I don't mean to say that कि नहीं सिर्फ BTech ही है जिंदगी में और कुछ करने का नहीं होता है. BTech electronics from Triple IT. Oh, that's good. Which Triple IT? I am also passed out from Triple IT. BTech in depression. That's me. That's me. I really want to be like this, to be honest, but I can't. People are gonna make fun of me. Oh, Triple IT Delhi, is it? That's good. Yeah, congratulations. Triple IT Delhi is good. Our Triple IT was not. So congratulations. You are one step. I mean, many steps ahead compared to me. So I'm happy about it. Really proud of you. Keep going, buddy. Keep going. How do I... Okay. See, I have Windows styling window. Sorry, what am I saying? I have Windows styling window manager on Windows, right? This is great. So I can do all 2, all 3. I have many workspaces. I can resize. I can do things. Placements will always be destroyed. Don't worry about it. Don't think. I always say this thing. If you are in the top 5% of this nation, you're always going to be people are always looking out for good people, right? I mean, good developers and all. So don't worry. You'll do fine. Okay. What am I doing? What is happening? I think there's something wrong with... Okay. Hey, hi Rishikesh, welcome to the stream. Guys, today's let me okay, I keep doing this thing which is bad. Users kush config westum emacs westum.lua. Let me increase the font size. I think 20 is okay for now. Yeah. There you go. Perfect. I think 20 is good for streams. Let's also go here. Let's go to documents, projects. No, actually we okay, I'll just emacs and this. Yeah. I can give some context, guys. What have we been working on? You guys can't see me like this, right? This is better, I guess. So what have we been working on, right? So we have been, I mean, for all those people who know me, I was into NeoVim for so long. Now I'm back to using Emacs. I'm not back. 22 is good enough. I mean, any lower would be a problem. Long shot joke. You're talking about the girl's age? 20 is not good enough. You need a matured girl, and you also need to be mature for that, first of all. I know. But yeah, I get these jokes. You know, nobody can beat me in double meaning jokes. Okay, let me just tell you, I look simple, but I'm not simple. You're 21. I mean, yeah, for you it's fine. I'm not 21. I need to look out for bigger age. Okay, okay, this is a friendly stream, guys. Let's focus on what we are trying to do, right? So today there was this question that how can we, okay, first of all, I had done this thing LSP mode map, LSP format region, because I was kind of missing this thing. So what you can do is you can select a section and you can do Control C, Control R, and that should ideally work. For some reason it did not. Control C, Control F. What's happening? Control C, Control F. Assignment to free variable, April 12, config.el 117 line number. Oh, there's this thing that's okay. Symbols outline is going wrong. Okay, for now, let's just get rid of it. Yeah, and let's Emacs shooting itself. Relax. You should not say anything about Emacs right now. See, be a good guy. Okay, respect all editors. But the LSP format region is not defined. Are Ram guys. I mean Ram Rohit and everyone, of course. Rohit is here, guys. My ex teammate and a friend. I'll be acha bacha. It's all good, I think. Ram ji, Ram. Ram Saryano. What do you call it? Why is it LSP format region is there, right? Am I missing a Doom sync or something? Generally, I was kush in 10 buck. बेशरम इंसान झूठ बोलता है. यही सिखाया मैंने तुम्हें. I think. So this thing happens, right? Checking for stale ELC files. So I don't know why these exist, or maybe something went wrong before. I had deleted this before. Let's do Doom sync, right? And if I do Doom doctor, this time it should be fine. I don't do Python generally, so it should be fine here. Okay, so where am I? I can now do control, oh shit, sorry. Control C, Control F. LSP format region is not known to be defined. भाई ये कौन सी कोडिंग कर रहे हो? मस्ती मत करो भाई. So I used to use NeoVim, right? And abhi I have switched to Emacs. So Doom Emacs is what I'm using. तो उसमें ना we are trying to figure out how to add key maps, ठीक है? So यहाँ पे there was this thing that how to format a region and how to format a buffer. So use Notepad. Yes, why not? By the way, Varenya, meet Rohit. Rohit is a ML engineer. He was a lead ML engineer in his previous startup. Right now, he's I think a senior ML engineer. Really good, sharp person in ML and AI. So if you have any questions, you can always ping him. Rohit, Discord join kar lo yaar. People are going to ask you questions now. Control C, Control R is not defined. I'm not. This was working before. Yeah, I mean, देखो, you were still the lead, right? I mean, देखो, the thing is, if you have a team of 10 people, that's different. If you are the only person there, that means that you are really, really sharp, and the company just needs one ML engineer, and you are the one. Otaku drama saga. Hello, hi. I'm sorry, I don't know the context of it, but I mean of your name, but welcome. Company had 3 employees, is it? I mean, it was open source, yeah. I mean, we were teammates before. I know you're good in ML, so हाँ, ठीक है. ये काहे work नहीं कर रहा है? 76th line number. Okay, what about this? That we go to one of them, which was the founder. Can I do this? Doom config.elc. This is a bytecode, okay. So it's compiled version of it, right? Is the... I mean, ideally it should be fine. I don't know. This should not be the reason of this not working. What are you figuring out today? All right. So the thing is, I've been I switched from NeoVim to Emacs, okay, recently only, and we are figuring out how to. And I'm using Doom Emacs, okay, and we are trying to figure out how to add custom key maps, starting with a very simple thing, which is LSP format. There's a thing called alt X. Okay, first of all, let me quickly fix this. So I'm just trying to figure out two things, which was a request by Varanium as well in chat. I mean, I'll have to scroll a lot, but two things. First was mostly this Obsidian, how to get it working in Emacs, and second thing was how to get custom key maps. So those are the two things. Also, yeah, figuring out how to live happily, if there's a way. सर्च फॉर ऑब्सिडियन आ जाएगा लिस्ट में. हाँ, आई मीन ठीक है. अरे यार, आई डिडंट. Why do you make me feel like I'm a noob? Which is true though. Why is it LSP format buffer? There's nothing to follow. I think so. Rishikesh says, I'm new to ML. Can we talk? I think Rohit will probably join the Discord channel, guys. So please feel free to ping him. I'll ask him. Right now, I believe he's in a meeting or something. So please hold on. Okay, he'll be back. And if anyone is new, guys, please feel free to say hi in the chat and like and subscribe if you have not already. But no force. Okay. All right. One thing is, okay, this is done, right? Yeah. One thing I need to fix is probably not this thing. Komorebi.json, right? So over here, I had a, no, not this one, sorry. So this is .config whkdrc. This is where all the key maps and all are, right? So I believe there's a key map for alt plus what was it? Where is it? Alt X, right? So there you go, right? So this was for flipping and all. So I can probably do alt shift X and alt shift Y. And the reason is because I have, right? So as you can see, it's like flipping the layout. Yes, Rishikesh, yeah, I mean, Varanium can also help. Please feel free to just ping on Discord. Hi, Saga. Welcome to the stream. I think this is your first time, everyone. Welcome to the stream and thank you so much for coming. I appreciate it. Komorebi stop, Komorebic stop, Komorebic start, WHKDR. This is the one, right? Yeah. Okay, I hope alt text does not work now because I'll be very frustrated. It works. I don't know how to Komorebic help. I really want to restart. Hey, hi Meow Monster. Hi everyone. I think this is your first time in the chat. Welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for joining. If you don't know me, my name is Kushash Shimali and thank you so much for coming. Let me know if you have any questions. What are we doing? Happy to talk. Happy to answer any questions. But yeah, Varanium is here as well as a moderator. I'm Buggy Bhai. It's another. Oh, Buggy is so long. After so long, right? I think I don't even remember. Wait. How long? Wait a second. Okay. I forgot what I was doing. Stop the Komorebi and restore all hidden windows. What I want to do is I want to quick load, quick save. No. Uh, yes, sir. My grandmother didn't survive. I mean, she is no more. So, बाल देने थे. So, yeah. Months by, right? Been busy with stuff lately. हाँ ओके नो इश्यूज ब्रो मैंने इसलिए बता दिया पहले से कि ये बंदा आके मेरा मजाक उड़ाया उससे पहले इसको बता दो कि देख तुझे खुद को बुरा लगेगा मजाक उड़ाने के बाद सो दैट्स व्हाई ऑल गुड हाउस लाइफ बगी हाउस लाइफ हाउस एवरीथिंग आई होप हेल्थ इज ओके चिल है ब्रो चिल है रोहित इट्स ऑल गुड यार यू शुड नॉट yeah all text it's still working I don't get it I did rest I mean okay you know what I'm just going to comment it out I don't want these typical this it's just Comorebic reload configuration okay it's still working why is it still working I did ये कैशे रखता है क्या इज इट स्टोरिंग सम कैशे कृपा आपकी अरे यार यहाँ पे मुझे स्क्रॉल करना पड़ेगा आई डोंट नो क्या डिले है क्यों life's good joined a MMA gym been training for my first amateur bout oh wow that's crazy yaar give us some fitness tips come on wish you the best for whatever you're so you're like kind of quit on development or is it like a side hustle that you're doing we need fitness tips I mean we have been talking about it a lot okay I'm kind of okay I think after restart this will be fixed I'll have to check what's going wrong okay the thing is HK I can't even hit alt X because it's mapped to this key okay alt O I can kill okay you know what let it be so where were we okay we were starting off with doom this thing right so I can get rid of it emacs config.el training from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Software guy from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Oh wow, that is great. Working really hard. Hi Bibasu. Hi Biba Vasu. Hello. What's up, Saurabh? Welcome to the stream. This is your first time after so long. क्या बात है आज तो भाई गुरुजी पधारे हैं वेलकम एवरीबॉडी वेलकम एवरीबॉडी वेलकम डिलीट करके तुम्हारी टाइपोस छुप नहीं जाएंगी याद रखना just by deleting you can't sound like मैंने कोई आज तो फ्राइडे पहनचो फ्राइडे को क्या करते हैं यार लोग आई डोंट नो आई नीड टू फिगर आउट ये कंट्रोल C कंट्रोल F काहे काम नहीं कर रहा है okay fine time to search on net I mean internet LSP format region is not defined emacs I can just go back and stream and look at the typo exactly whiskey what are we doing today live stream dekhte hain exactly so what are we doing today so as you all know I mean if you don't know I have switched to emacs from neovim after 6 long years of using neovim right and I'm trying to figure out how to add custom key mappings to emacs and a few other things which includes how to get obsidian working in emacs mostly that's it nothing else traitor I know this was coming friendship ended with Vim yep now the thing is I wanted to give it a try it's been really good so far just that I'm not able to understand where is my I mean why is it not working how to get LSP like formatting with Emacs Lisp exactly right Forget Vim man is vibing on Windows. Yeah, so that's another story, right? So I was using Endeavor OS for so long, right? It can be like this when I'm talking, right? I hope you guys don't mind, right? This is good, okay? See, I can be like this. This is so relaxing, like because sitting just straight for so long and I'm talking to people, it gets tiring. So the thing is, I was using Endeavor OS, okay, and भाई तो पूरा relax ही हो गए. Don't worry, Devin is coming for all. We don't have to write shit anymore. अरे भाड़ में जाए Devin. Will anyways, like things that come into the US, they come after 20 years to in India. So क्या ही है? Play some background music too. We can actually play some background music. Guys, do you want some music in the background? So the thing is, okay, I'll tell you. All right. What was the question though? Yeah. So, okay, I was using Endeavor OS, okay. And at that time, the thing was, and I was using Hyperland as my window manager, okay. And उस वक्त OBS started crashing again and again, okay. So after some time, like I was so tired, I was not even able to stream. So I mean, and you know the kind of things you get in Windows, for example, this background removal with NVIDIA Broadcast, noise cancellation and all. Play Womania from Wasipur. भाई देखो, we'll have to play no copyright songs, okay? So इतनी उम्मीदें मत रखो, ठीक है? I hope I can play this. Wait a minute. Can you guys? Oh, it was too loud. उस गाने पे स्ट्राइक भी नहीं आएगा. क्यों इतना अच्छा गाना है क्या? Sorry, it was very loud, I know. Alright, you guys can still hear the music, right? Now reduce the volume to minus 20 dB. Yeah, I did that exactly. You guys can hear it, right? Yep, all good. Best, perfect. Enjoy, just sit back and relax. Although it doesn't say that it's, ouch, it doesn't say it's no copyright though. It says, am I allowed to play this song? I don't think so. It's a lo-fi hip-hop. Sorry guys. I'll have to find. Oh yeah, this might be fine. How is this? I can't hear it because... Okay, I can hear it actually. I can try. Play by Ruma. अलग ही choices हैं लोगों की. पता नहीं कहाँ से ला रहे हो ये गाने. तारक मेहता ना लगा दूँ. This river flows in you. भाई ये सब they 169 million views. Definitely it's not on NCS. मरवाओगे तुम. Brain.fm for the win then. Brain.fm. Is it a website or something? How is the current music though? How is it? Is it okay? No, I need to find some really music is good. Okay, perfect. Yes, it's like AI generated music, so no copyrights. Oh, is it? Wow. And music is good. Okay. Oh, brain.fm is it? Okay. Cool. So we were at config.el. See ya guys, meeting time. Take care. Thank you so much Rohit for joining. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, yaar. Have a great weekend. Enjoy. Thank you. I'm already sweating. Bangalore it's getting very hot guys, by the way. Buddy, Buggy, you're working from home, right? मेरी टोपी सही है ना? Should I छोड़ो? Who cares? ठीक है. No in Bangalore. You're in Bangalore, right? So बहुत धूप है, right? Delhi to Bangalore. Yep. दिल्ली में मस्त मौसम है भाई. काहे चिढ़ा रहे हो? It's really bad here. मतलब, I mean, I don't know about comparison and all, but how it used to be before, it's really bad now. पानी भी है. ठीक है. इधर भी आएगा पानी, ऐसा नहीं है. पानी हर जगह आएगा. Wait for it. Okay, I think I should just play this one after this. Okay, this is done. Enjoy this music, guys. I hope it's autoplay. Autoplay दिख तो नहीं रहा option. Okay, I might ask a new question. Why not VS Code? Bro, my hometown crosses 43 to 44 every year, so Bangalore is chill for me. Yeah, I'm same, like I'm also from Rajasthan, but the thing is like I was so used to Bangalore weather, right? Why not VS Code? Bebaha Basu. The thing is, I don't like using mouse a lot. First of all, okay, and in VS Code, of course, you can have. This is not true. अगर इधर मस्त मौसम है then मैं NG हूँ. अच्छा, he is in Delhi by the way. The thing is, I had carpal tunnel issue. I mean, I still have it probably, and I have a lot of wrist pain, and plus it affects my efficiency. So when I'm typing, I don't want to move my fingers away from keyboard. I don't want to go back to mouse and kind of do something, right? Like for example, if I have to open a terminal here, I know there are shortcuts in VS Code as well. There's Vim binding as well. But let's say if I have to open a file, I can just keep on doing it, right? I don't have to open something. I don't have to move my hand away from the keyboard and go to the mouse. Second thing is just for the love of configuration. And greater than emacs. Okay. The thing is, like a lot of people who this is a personal choice that they feel that they have the control of it, right? Like for example, I don't want this to use, right? I mean, I don't want to see the, what do you call it, file menu or whatever, right? So I can hide it, right? But in VS Code, when you open it, just looks so bloated. You have this file manager opened on the left and all of that. For some people it works. I mean, it used to work for me way before. It might work for me again. I don't mind. I'm not that choosy. But the thing is, in NeoVim or Emacs, you get that configuration that, okay, how you want it to look like, right? It's a lot of efforts. It takes you around 2 to 3 years to get used to it, to write your own config and all. But once you have done it, it's all worth it. Shouting at your CPU until the bits start to change out of fear. Sorry guys, I was just getting something for myself. I think this is better. I thought I'll just... How is the look? I know people are gonna unsubscribe me after this, but just trying something new. People are gonna unsubscribe. Rate it out of 10. Everyone, come on, in the chat, quickly. Play some electro music up. Yeah. Do I look like an electro person though? Bro, I am like classical. Not classical to be honest. I'm like calm music type person. And I wish I was doing that. I would have just done that. But yeah. I hope we'll get to 1.3k subscribers. You're looking like that right now, is it? Oh shit. That's not what my parents imagined myself to be, but it's okay. We are just one subscriber away from not 1.3k, sorry, 1.21k. You know what, wait, okay. 10, I'll give you music. Okay, please go ahead. Buggy, how do you come up with these things? Man, you're going into MMA or something, right? Just step away from software for some time. Focus on fighting and all of that. I still feel a developer guy who is... So why did you choose MMA though? Like, were you interested in this, or was it your passion for all this time, or you're doing it for some reason? I mean, pretty sure you have a reason, right? Meanwhile, let me figure it out. That LSP mode map, why is it not working? Did I change something? LSP format region Doom Emacs. Okay. Format with LSP. If you see a function called format enable on say, it indicates you're on a very, very old version of Doom. Okay. Okay. Region or buffer. Ah, so they already have it. Okay. So what they're saying is basically you can have let's try with a sample.c file. Right, so let's just say that, okay, I'm gonna write int main printf hello world, right, and I can just do this, right, and I'm saying that, okay, can you, what was it, format GQ, okay, GQ is also there. Okay, let's just select a region first, G capital Q. I don't think it did the job. I mean, it's doing something, right? No. Are you using WSL? Yes, Rishikesh, I'm using WSL, buddy. LSP format region or buffer? No, okay, why? Okay, you know what? Let me try this. Yeah, there you go, right? So I think it was just something very particular, right? So okay, now I think it is enabled this thing. Let's select. Yep, there you go, right? So it's working, okay, that's good. But let's go to config emacs. I'm very curious what they're using for LSP format region or buffer. I can just open an emacs here. Format, oh yeah, format region. What is it? Format slash region or, so I have this define function, play this from 0.5 okay, 50 seconds is it? Oh, cyberpunk. Oh, I just realized I have my glasses on. Sorry guys, don't judge me for this. 0.50. Oh wow, I don't know what you guys are hearing, by the way, I'm sorry. It is what this guy is saying. Acha, glasses guys, okay. Yes, let's go. I can't hear the music, but I hope I'm looking cool, guys. And pause the, oh sorry, happens when you have muted the speaker and you're like, okay, hopefully the crowd is listening to the right music, but it's not. Up code, okay, null code, okay. You made me very, like, I'm dala diya, like I have to just be very conscious, right, what I'm coding, because the good music is playing. I have my glasses on. I should be like emacs, right? I mean, Matrix movie type scene karna padega, right? Okay, now, okay, alright guys, so the question was, first of all, how do we enable key mappings, like custom key mappings? Okay, so here they say that map macro is what we can use for binding new keys. Okay, so let's just say map and shift K. So map is a macro defined in doom key bindings.el file. You can do a signature map exclamation mark tech bro streamer. Okay, shift back. I should I shift back soon? Okay, I think it's just 1 more minute, I'll let it be. So a convenience macro for defining key bindings powered by general. If eval is not loaded, eval specific bindings are ignored. Okay, that's okay. I think eval, by that they mean the vim mode, if I'm not wrong, but yeah. Anyway, so over here you can have a leader key, which just means a prefix. So I think here I can say leader, right, which just means that space is going to be default for this. And inner key bindings are applied to major mode, and map inner key bindings applied to key maps. So if you put mode, then whatever bindings you apply, that are going to apply to major modes. Okay, I don't know what that means. And then you have map key maps, set keybind prefix. I hope they have an option. Yes, Varu is Varanium, yeah, great guess. Alright, so we have N for normal, V for visual, I for insert, E for emacs, O for operator, M for motion, R for replace, Z for global. Mine is the key without current. Okay, so they have an option over here, right? So do map leader, which is what we have done so far. There's a description if you want to provide sample description. Okay, and normal mode is what we want, and we can say control C. So control C is for the command. Okay, I should stop this song now. I should get rid of this. I should go back to my no copyright music. Right, so what are they doing over here is do something. Yo Buggy, what's up? Right, so this is what they're saying. So you provide the leader key and then you say command space control C and do something, okay? And then you can have the whatever you want. Over here they also have other options, I think. Maggot mode map, which is I think mapping to the key maps of Maggot. Okay. And NV is for normal plus visual state. Okay. Quit window, E global keybind. Okay. Okay. Same as above, another global keybind. When feature P system macOS. Oh my god. This is a lot. See, they have a lot of options, guys. I mean, and this to be honest, like this is a really good documentation as well for it. Just, just to say, I think they've done a really good job with the documentation. By the way, Millennium, I don't think we'll be able to get to Obsidian today given the key mapping thing. But we'll try tomorrow or day after tomorrow, okay? I think still trying to figure out key maps. Okay, no, it's fine, yeah. By the way, this thing that you should try is Alt X, okay? I don't know what is that. What is that Alt X Doom Emacs? So this is called something like, I'll show you guys, okay? So MX is a thing. Yeah, so yeah, and so Alt X, the thing is it is currently mapped to my tiling window manager, so I'm not able to use it. No, the thing is I use this space HBB if you're looking for commands, right? And this is execute extended command. Execute extended command, enter. Yeah, over here, right? So the thing is, I'll show you, right? So you can have LSP install server, you can hit enter, right? It will show you whatever servers that you want to install. You can search for Rust Analyzer, it will already say this thing, right? And also the thing that you were seeing, right? So the error that you're getting, you can do Alt X and then you can do lsp-rust-analyzer debug, right? And I believe also there should be log. Wait, I'll show you stdrr. Yeah, probably over here. Let me see again. So when you should search for log over here, right? Either log or stdrr, right? And you will get an option over here, okay? So once that Rust Analyzer error is coming, you can search for this and it will show you the proper error. Or you can also try installing, you can see LSP install server, whether it says that, okay, is it installed, like is Rust Analyzer already installed or not, okay? Sorry, I forgot I have it installed. One more thing that I really like is package install. So you can search for any package that you want to use, right? And you can get them installed directly. If they are like, I think Melpa is their package manager or something, right? And it's really good, like LSP py, right? I can search py, right? I can search for it, I can hit enter, it will install the plugin for me. Like, I mean, unlike how you do it in NeoVim, it's really nice. I mean, you have it hosted somewhere. Good, I mean, good thought process. What else is there? Yeah, I mean, we can keep on searching for different things. That's it, okay? Just FYI, this is how you map a key binding. Let's see if we can do it. Let's open Emacs again. Space Control C is undefined config.el. I can say okay. Space Control C. I need to have something over here, right? Do something instead of this. Now, can I have need to figure out. Is there any command that I can use? Maybe aya create. Okay, so let's just say that, okay, I want to do this, okay? So let's restart Emacs. Aya create is right now. Do I need to do sync? after this. Yeah, I think it should be done by now. Yeah. Right now, let's do QR. If I create, doesn't show up. Okay. So leader, and then you are in a, I don't know, let's see. Doom Emacs custom key bindings. Okay, I can have it. Doom Emacs custom key bindings. I can search for it here. How to rebind keys. Global set key, KBD tab, some command. That's something that you can use. Okay. So you don't have to. Okay, Doom's map key already maps it to KBD. Okay, so that's okay. So I think this is just a form of saying that KBD tab is going to correspond to the key itself. Okay, so that's what it means. Map, Control X, Control F. So major mode have their own key map and should be used for key bindings that you want restricted to a specific major mode. Major mode key maps have higher precedence than global map but lower than minor key. Okay, so I think this is about precedence as well. So if you are in the mode of -map, so Python mode is on, that means you are using, which is interesting guys, right? So if you're in a Python file, you can have a prefix Control X, Control P, which is for Python. This is not bad. You can give it a try. Map. Sorry. After Python. It's very hot. Okay. 1 second. I have a cute tar fan for myself. So hopefully that should work. So where were we, right? So we were at map, Python mode map. So which means that, okay, hopefully it's only going to work for Python. Control X, Control P. Okay, what else do you have? -F is for Python, pytest, fine. Okay, let's kind of just try it out. For that, I will need to install a few things. I'll open the terminal. Pip install pytest black. These two things I'll install. Okay, and let's do Doom sync maybe, just to kind of make sure that it works. Doom, I will want to make sure that, okay, Doom Doctor shows me this is all I want, right? Also, I don't get it why it keeps saying this thing that Doom config.elc is out of date. It's kind of weird. Do I always have to do it? We'll see. Okay, now let's kind of start with new.py, which already I had it right. So then the entire editor is out of date. No, Emacs is not out of date. Don't say that. Hey sister. This thing what we were doing, right? So we were doing Control X, Control P, and I'm saying F. Guys, see, look at this. This is amazing. This is outstanding, right? So what is happening is when you're only in Python, Control X, Control P, F, running the Python file. Okay, now let's do this. Okay, so let's open the config.el file. Right, what I can do is I can write another thing after Python, not Python, maybe C, map C mode map, right? And I can do prefix Control X, Control P, the same thing only. Okay, and I can do F, and I can probably do C. I don't know what command to run, to be honest. CPP hyphen. CPP has something. CPP parse edit omelette mode highlight buffer font log. Let's do highlight buffer for now. Okay, and I'm gonna say CPP and I'm gonna say CPP mode map. Okay, so hopefully that should make sense, and I'm gonna, let's just see if it works without refreshing. Main int main printf hello world. Right, and let's do this. Right, and what I want to do now is I want to see if it works. So Control X, Control P, F. Control X, Control P, F, right? So this is, there you go, right? It's highlighting the buffer. That's what it means. So, I mean, so you can have key maps based on, like, I don't know why does it not show up here, to be honest. Control X, Control P, F. Okay, I don't know about that. But anyways, so it does show up, right? I mean, it's working. You can go back to your config.el. So you can have language specific key bindings, which is outstanding, right? I mean, I love it. I don't know about you guys. What do you feel about it, guys? Global set key, you can have global set key. Major modes are, this is what it means, okay? Minor modes have their own key maps as well. And some packages may define more than one, like Helm map and all. Minor mode key maps have higher precedence than major mode key maps. Their priority relative to other minor modes is sorted by activation order. Okay. You can also override a key if there is an already existing key. Yeah, what Evil calls states, Vim uses known as modes, normal mode and all, okay. This feels like a man in stated sports car and is trying to figure out a tractor because it looks big and stronger. Exactly, we need that in New Vim, right? And Buggy, you have to agree, this is really nice, right? I mean, come on, thoda agree kar lo. Just like, you know, like, I mean, it's a good feature, right? How do I open which key, by the way? Which key? Show key map. Ah, so there you go. Python pytest file. Okay. Wow. So what are they saying is, if I have it here and I can import pytest, define test sample, and I can say assert 1 equal to 1, right? And I can do controls. Okay. Math domain error. Oh, because yeah, that's my fault. I should not be calling it without a main function. The Ferrari who sold its monk. I understand you guys are. See, this is good. Do you agree? You don't even have to, like, you're in a Python file, it will run pytest. You're in a JavaScript file, it will run the test file accordingly, right? I mean, and I'll show you more things, right? When I do Shift K, look at the documentation. It's so clean. Okay, if you don't like this, I'll show you one thing. Command C X. Look at these. Look at this. What's happening? Oh, I changed the. Okay. It's clean like my dating history. Ouch. Interesting that you say that your dating history is cool. By the way, what I was showing to you guys? Yeah, this thing. Yeah, this diagnostics, right? How do I resize? I'm not able to resize. Yeah, okay, I'm able to. I think because of this, right? So, Windows. Fine, I'll have to change that as well. But it was working before. Okay, I can do this, right? Okay, you know what? Like, I had enough. Okay, but anyways, right? This is what I was showing to you guys. So you can really like go through the diagnostics and hit enter. It will show the diagnostics to you over that. And if you have multiple diagnostics, it's gonna really wrap it up for you. The term is bin blows. So it is clean, not non-existent, unlike someone's. Ouch. Bin bloat. Okay, guys, stop offending Windows. It's okay. I mean, it has OBS Studio working fine, right? I mean, I love Linux as much as you all do, to be honest. Only if things would work fine without a lot of efforts. Honestly, I never, after coming from job, I don't really want to spend too much time on this, okay? That's the only reason. Otherwise, of course, was working fine for me to if only use, yeah. Yeah, I understand. My bad. Anyways, look at this, right? So, looks like this is how you can do it. Yeah, I love my wife after man's cheating left and right. Okay. Okay, all right, guys. I know you all are angry. I'm sorry about it. Okay, I'll consider going back to Neovim. I don't know when, but the court will decide. Okay. All right. So what else is there? See, this is GD is so good. Everything is so good in life. You see, you will never see such really good emacs specific completions in any editor. Like I mean, Neovim Lua API specific documentation is really bad. Has decided to disown you. No. I object. I would like this to be reconsidered. I will really appreciate it. Yeah, environment documentation is really bad. Like, I mean, I think it just happens when you have a lot of huge community. It just happens. What else I was using? Do not return now. You have been excommunicated. Ouch. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. I'm starting to get sleepy, guys. I think without medicine, if I can sleep, I think it's good. I've been having really hard time getting sleep. टकला कर दिया गया. Yes, यार. Hi Swanan, thank you so much for joining. If you're wondering why I was not playing CSGO for so long, it's because of this insomnia. Yeah, I think I'm having it. And Swanan, like, before you make Roska and Audi, the thing is, like, I mean, my daddy is no more, so I had to give according to the thing. I also got the errors finished and the test passes finally. Now I make changes. Oh, nice. Congratulations. Well done, yeah. Insomnia. Yes, so Buggy, I was talking about it, right? I'm so sorry. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. So the thing is ki I get sleepy around 12 o'clock. You miss your nanny a lot. Yeah. And like when you see the, like of course in the last nights and all, like, you know, at that time you realize the truth of life, right? Like whatever you're doing, सब कुछ किसी के साथ बुरा कर रहे हो मत करो, right? I don't know how people survive with that feeling by doing wrong, right? किसी को hurt intentionally कर रहे हैं, कुछ कर रहे हैं. At the end, death is the truth. You know, people are not even, I don't know what to say, but yeah, it is what it is. Regarding insomnia, so I get sleepy around 12 o'clock and I want to sleep by 12 or 1 o'clock max. But when I go to the bed, I take around 2 to 3 hours just to get sleep. Like, I mean, yesterday I was in my bed at 11:30 p.m. I was hoping on my bed, I was hoping that I'll get asleep by 12 o'clock, but it took me around 2 to 3 hours just to get sleep. Same with you, right? And I don't know I mean, it's not insomnia, like, maybe it is, I don't know the correct definition of it. And yes, I'm stressed. It's not like I'm not stressed. I have a lot of stress. Stress could be a reason for it, but I don't know how to run away from it, right? I mean, yeah, same here. I think it's all about mental health issues. Same here, buddy. I think सब लड़कों की mental health खराब ही रहती है क्या? Sleep is just death being shy. Oh my god. सर पीट लूँ मैं अपना इस बंदे की बातों को सुन के. हाय शिवम, वेलकम टू स्ट्रीम. वेलकम यार. परसों तो सुबह 6 बजे सुबह नींद आई और 8 बजे उठ के लॉगिन. भाई साहब, मैं तो है ही नहीं. तुम्हें भाई तुम This guy is just, Varanium has this talent that he goes to the bed and he gets sleep. Shivam, welcome to the stream, by the way. Thank you so much for joining. Is this your first time in the chat? Guys, if you're new, by the way, please consider subscribing. I think we are just 1 subscriber away from 1.21k. Yay! 1 subscriber at a time. JD से class ले लो सोने का. ऐसा क्या? I used to have this problem. Physical exhaustion is allowing me to sleep as soon as I land on bed though. बंदा 9 बजे ऑफ हो जाता है. ओ भाई साहब यार. So we need to learn this from JD maybe. But I think mental health issues है ना. I mean, you need to solve it. मेरा ही ऑल्ट है, ओके। अच्छा 6 से तुम्हारे ही ऑल्ट है, बाप रे। हाँ, यू आर द पर्सन विद अ लॉट ऑफ ऑल्ट अकाउंट्स, राइट? What is window manager that you're using? Hi Vice, Maynard. Sorry. Welcome to the stream first of all. Thank you so much for joining. I'm using Komorebic, which is really good. Oh bhai sahab, BP is 145 plus. That's a lot. You have a BP issue, like is there a... पहले भी देखी इसकी मैंने इंस्टॉलेशन वाली, मैंने न्यू कॉन्फ़िग भी मांगी थी। ओह यस यस यस, ओके गॉट इट। नाउ आई एम यूजिंग emacs, by the way. You can ask me for emacs config. This is the one I'm using, Vice. This is the tiling window manager for Windows. Really good, works so far. No specific issues that I can talk about. There are few issues that I wanted to fix, but so far so good. You can flip as well. You can take it to another workspace. You can do things. It's all good so far. Fuck, that is more BP than HP in my Wagoner. मेरा तो एकदम कड़क सेटअप है emacs का। I like that. ओ भाई साहब, you use emacs क्या स्वनंद? I did not know bro. मुझे लगा तो अच्छा ये Rust पर, I mean Rust. So you're using emacs with Rust, is it? I've been using Doom emacs, by the way. It's really nice. So far so good. Nice यार, good. लगे रहो. We talk a lot about it on Discord, by the way. कभी मन करे तो join our Discord. बहुत बातें होती रहती हैं. Fitness and all. I think we do a lot of shit. Guys, let me share the link as well to everyone if they want to join. Use copy button. Ta-da! ये एक्टिव हो गया. Yes, बहुत एक्टिव हो गया. Buggy of your dream finally came true. Oh, you have tried Doom Emacs and Spacemacs. I did not like Spacemacs, but I think Spacemacs has more stars than Doom Emacs. I am teaching Next.js to some of my juniors. Wow, yeah, nice. Shabash. Good work. Oh, this guy had asked me reels. Ouch. These guys bully me a lot. I know you can't read it. This is what I was typing. See, that's the point of having tiling window manager. You can do this and that. I think you can also do Alt Enter. I think it was there. I don't know why it's not working. Alt Shift Enter, Alt Enter. पता नहीं क्या है. Okay. Streamer mode is enabled. Usernames have been truncated. Oh my god. Who has joined? Nobody today at 1 a.m. Okay, and oh Vice, thank you so much for joining. Yeah, welcome. ये चीज़ मैप पे ज़्यादा मस्त काम करता है, if you have noticed. Shivam, welcome to Discord channel, by the way. Navigation I meant. Yup. That's for sure, यार. How do I look? How about this? How do I look like this? ऐसे रहना चाहिए ना? You guys, what's up? क्या भी सही थी. Tech Bro पक्का से. वो MX Master 3 तो suitable है Linux dynamic के लिए. Yeah, that's true. Two Punch Man. क्या बात है? Kidnapper लग रहा हूँ मैं. Okay, I might kidnap someone. That's true. That's my hobby right nowadays. Hey, hi nobody. Welcome to the stream. This is your first time as well. And I see that you joined. I think you're the one who joined Discord as well today, right? Just a few minutes back, kidnapped my heart. Ouch. This guy knows all the pickup lines, guys, for some reason. But I mean, that's what I was saying, right? I have been enjoying this tiling window manager on Windows, I guess. I mean, we all should, like, if you're using Windows, I think you all should take a look at it as well. The one thing I'm looking forward to is animations, and they have, feet animation, right? So they have an ongoing PR about this. I'm pretty much looking forward to it. I put a comment today that what stage it is in right now. Looking forward to it. You're right. What do you use for your Windows backup? For my Windows backup, I don't need a backup. I don't have any memories in life. Whatever that is on GitHub mostly. So I mean, if I have to change my operating system, I'll do it in a flash. Windows customization, hey, yes. It's a separate tiling window manager that you can install. Yep. Why Windows, by the way? I'll just sit back and relax and tell you a story, okay? So what happened? एक था राजा एक थी रानी, दोनों ने डिसाइड किया कि ठीक है एंडेवर ओएस यूज करेंगे, okay? Can you show some demo? Yeah, sure, okay. Like this is what I was saying, right? So if I do Alt X, it's gonna flip. You see? Cute, right? You can do Alt Shift E as well. Wait, I forgot the sometimes, and you can also have workspaces. Alt 1 is workspace number 1. Alt 2 is workspace number 2. Alt 3 could be all this and all, and you can have your Vestrum opened here. And I mean, these are simple workspaces that you would expect in a Linux tiling window manager as well. I can show you one small thing. New projectile, find file. I was looking for mnt c users. Okay, no, this is not how it works. What was it? Command dot, yeah. Mnt c users push config whkd rc, right? This is right. So I have all these. Alt H is for like if I launch another config, right? As you can see, I'm moving. If you see my mouse, I hope it's pretty much visible, right? So this is there. Alt Shift H is for like moving window around. You can move between monitors as well. Alt Left, I don't know. It's for stacking. I would never use it. I don't know how to undo it as well. Funny thing. Nobody, I'm coming to your point, right? Just 1 second, okay? Give me 1 second. Just 1 second. And we will be done, okay? Google Drive always. Yeah, I mean, OneDrive I'll never use. The thing is, I'm not concerned about privacy, right? I'm concerned about, because privacy, everyone breaks, right? Don't worry about privacy. Like, there's nothing is private. Like, I mean, I tell people that whatever you're using, you use, but you give me better, like something out of it. Because you, like, if I'm on a call today, right? If I'm talking to a friend and say that, yeah, I want to buy a new monitor, right? What they do is they end up saying that, like, Instagram पे reel आने लग जाते हैं यार monitors के. So, I mean, हो सकता है I have this setting enabled and all, right? So, one thing I always say that privacy is a myth. You look for features that you want, right? Whatever that is giving you a good user experience, right? You go for that. That's it. That's what I'm saying. That's my analogy right now, and that's always been my analogy. I mean, that's why I kind of at some point of time I started appreciating Microsoft Edge, because no matter what they're doing with privacy, I care about it. It's not, I'm not saying that don't do illegal stuff, but how many people are going to blame, right? Everyone is doing it. The point is, Microsoft used your data and gave you something out of it. Google Chrome did not. Firefox is great because it's not breaching your privacy as far as I know. In that case, it's good because at least you're not keeping that data and doing nothing out of it, right? That's all I say. वो होता है ना कि यार, it's simple, right? Okay, you're giving me salary, I'm using it. बात खत्म. I'm saving money, I'm doing something out of it. People want, like, अगर वो बोलते हैं ना, don't give any amount of money to a beggar because they're not gonna do, and like if they had to work, they could find work, right? वो पैसे का कुछ नहीं करने वाले. It's just gonna go to some उनके मालिक के पास and that's it. 0-day exploits in Firefox being like haha data mine. हो सकता है they are exploiting as well, right? So that's what I'm saying. Okay, now coming back to the point, why Windows buggy if you're still here. The point is that I was using Endeavour OS, okay, and things were fine at that point of time. Things were like not bad at all. The point is I ended up using Wayland, okay, and I know X11 was smooth so far, everything was good, and I wanted to try Hyperland, okay, and honestly Hyperland by default, like so many cool things, so many cool animations, like very fast as well. I was happy with it, okay, I was like enjoying it as well, and kind of coding on that environment used to be fun. Like, you know, those customizations, those small things matter, right? So I was enjoying it, but then OBS Studio, I don't know what happened. I had to reinstall Hyperland at some point of time, and after that things started breaking with OBS Studio. Every time I'll stream, it will crash in 5 minutes, and it was some GTK memory bug or something, and we were not able to find, like, not enough help was there for this. And I know it was mostly my fault, maybe because I did not set it up properly. But you know, as a streamer, especially who has a job outside streaming and who has to go for physical exercising and all, coming back, just I want to stream peacefully, right? I want to be able to do it without, even if I'm a developer, I don't want to end up customizing every day, because new release comes up, you do it. Of course, for that's why stable releases are there, I understand. But at that point of time, I was like, okay, what do I get on Windows? I get NVIDIA Broadcast, which is like, you see, this background cancellation, I don't have to buy a green screen, right? I can just click on NVIDIA Broadcast and it can do it for me. Same with noise cancellation, it can do it for me. Then I have to play CS2 as well. I sometimes play CS2 as well, and I was missing it a lot. And Linux, I was getting 15 to 20 FPS, and Windows, I was getting 250 to 300 FPS. It's because that's because of CS2 does not work well on Linux, okay? Or VLAN or whatever. Play now. We can play now. ये रोहित आ गया मीटिंग से and he's like play now. खेलो अभी. बहुत अच्छे. Do you guys want me to like play CS now? खेले CS बैठ के, और क्या करना है? चलिए शुरू करते हैं. But that's why like खेल रहे हैं. अच्छा तुम लोग खेल रहे हो ऑलरेडी. खेलो खेलो. आकाशी को हकालते हैं. अच्छा नहीं तुम लोग खेलो यार, तुम खेलो. मैं अगर खेलूंगा मैं तो आई प्ले कैजुअल. नींद आ रही है बहुत ज़्यादा. Where is KRS? KRS is here. Discord. Oh, where is KRS Discord? Oh, you want to join? Okay, 1 second. Invite people. Ta-da! Here you go. You can join us on Discord and we can, I mean, we do chat a lot. कल तो polar bear बन के सोऊंगा पूरे दिन. भाई, seriously. New wide on World Linux with X11 and i3. New Women Endeavor OS. Oh, what's happening here? VLAN happened, yeah. Description पे डाल दिया करो socials. अरे हाँ यार. I don't know. I need to be a good streamer. I need to be a good streamer. Been using i3 for like 2 years now. I also use BSPWM on X11 in past. Never tried i3 though. I did try i3 recently. Like at work, I do use i3. I think i3 is good. Like it just lacks animations and all. But I mean, it's not so easy. Like I was very confused how to set up layouts. I mean, how to have change layouts and all, cycle layout and all. But it is what it is. Okay. You can have animations in i3, is it? Okay, you can chat on YouTube chat, by the way, Varu. Alright, there's one thing I want to show you guys. Okay, so the thing I was talking about, right? Komorebi. VS Code. Arey yaar, let me bring it to Alt Shift 4. Okay. So I was showing you can have animations in i3. VS Code theme बताओ अच्छे वाले. I think check out some brown theme. Search for brown themes, okay? Default is right. This guy is default by default. ये बंदा, like from what I know, Rohit, I used to ask him, try something else. Like नहीं भाई, तुम लोग करो जो करना है, मेरा काम है ये करना, मैं करता रहूँगा. अरे मजर भाई आए क्या? हेलो, हाय, व्हाट्स अप? हाय, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग गाइस. मेरा तो नियम भी काला पड़ा हुआ है. या आई मीन दैट साउंड्स सो रॉन्ग बाय द वे, बट या थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग. आई शुड काइंड ऑफ सिट प्रॉपर्ली नाउ. आई विल बी बैक आराम से. अरे बाप रे, काफ़ी लोग आ रहे हैं यार. हरू, हाय, मियाओ. ग्रब बॉक्स मटेरियल इज गुड. या कुड बी ग्रब बॉक्स. आई there's some developers who like Grubbox, right? And I don't get it. बड़े developers आए नॉडी. Yes, मेरा new is Kala to just saying. Guys, we should stop. Grubbox is godly, right? I mean, yeah. Same with Cat Pumpkin, for example. I had Cat Pumpkin, whatever, right? Some people really stick with purple themes. Some people prefer Grubbox-like themes. Lura की photo आती 8. Acha, this Haru is Akashi, kya? Did not help me find a girl. Katta Puchin. Okay, Katta. I don't know, and definitely it's not Katta Puchin. Okay. By the way, just stop teasing me. Okay, so what I was saying is, so I was missing this feature for so long. Okay, Tapuchi. So this thing I kind of created a PR, right? And ended up contributing here. I was very proud of it. Of course, like he had some suggestions and all. We did end up getting it merged. I was very happy about it. Not all code was written by me, but of course initiated by me. Very happy. Like, so like I also got to contribute here. The author is really nice. He's very kind as well. So I mean, I would really like, small things. For example, when you open a new window, how does it get animated, right? Do you guys even ever get curious, right? Like Hyperlink does it, for example, or Void Linux with i3 and whatever that you were saying. Okay, so like as I was saying, that you should look at this PR. Like in your free time, look at how development is mathematics as well, right? At this Void Linux that Valenium uses, I don't know. So I mean, just look at this, right? It's very interesting. This all mathematics that goes into it as well. How should a new window be triggered, opened, blah blah blah. These things are very interesting. So I mean, I would look at this part, right? So this is what I was saying. If progress is less than 1.0 using move window, what should we do? These void days are just woke nerds. Okay, void is much better than hardware. Okay, I don't know. I didn't know that OS has to. They're nerds, yeah. But anyways, like I mean, that's what I was saying. Like sometimes start looking at PRs. Like, yeah, I think Swanand is confusing Void with something else. So Void Linux is a distribution, buddy. Nothing else. Like it's Linux is hardware. Don't worry, guys. I think he was referring to something else. Maybe. I wait. Okay. Woke birds greater than woke nerds. Lamau, yeah. Did you mean System 76 and all? Void is to मेरे heart में. अरे भाई साहब. Same year, buddy. Same year. हार्ट में तो void रहेगा ही रहेगा. वो तो रहना ही है. कहाँ जाएगा? And by the way, guys, if you want to look at my GitHub projects, you can go to my profile, K.R. Shimali. You don't have to follow and all. That's up to you. I'm not saying that, but कभी कुछ देखना होता है तो please feel free to look at my profile and see. उम्मीद कर रहा था वो भर देगी दिल. नहीं भर पाएगी. मेरे हार्ट में तो VS Code है. शाबाश. बहुत अच्छे. Okay, guys, can we have a poll? How? Okay. Alright, guys. Which editor do you use? Let's kind of keep it simple. For NeoVim, Shivam uses NeoVim. शादी करने वाला हूँ अगले साल. बक झूठा. अभी से शादी. VS Code. You buggy is lying. This guy is lying. अच्छा, अरे, you are still here. थोड़ा बोला करो भाई. आ जाते हो ज़रा और कुछ बोलते नहीं हो. ऐसा चलना चलेगा. Co-pilot VS Code. VS Code. Okay, VS Code is winning by. No, VS Code is only 2 so far. Paint, Shabash, get it. Google Docs. Okay, I give up. Imagine using Electron app. Lol. Yeah, VS Code, right? I mean, I'm using Discord. I think Notepad wins. Nobody said emacs, which is sad. But okay, I am the streamer. Pen, paper, hands down. Yeah, for sure. कभी कुछ समझ में ना आए, open like take a pen, paper and start writing. Yeah, agree. JK VS Code. Okay. Actually using VS Code with Vim bindings. Oh, is it? I thought you were a new Vim guy. Oh. मेरे को तो DSA वैसे ही समझा है. Okay. Vice uses Nano. Okay. Very nice. There you go. Now we are having competition. रोज पूजा करता हूँ नोटबुक की. Makes sense. Cap. What is Cap? Oh yeah, you use Visual Studio, right? You're a C# guy, game developer. By the way, guys, we have a game developer here. FI Swanan works for Amazon as a developer. I don't know what he does. Shivam, where do you work, or I don't know what do you do? Vice, I don't know about you. What do you do, guys? I mean, feel free to come sometimes talk about what you guys do, right? I mean, let people know and kind of help each other out if anyone needs help. But you guys can join Discord as well. Game dev who makes नाइस गेम्स, ही मेंट नाइस ईयर, ओके। नर्ड्स हो तुम तो, या थर्ड ईयर बीटेक हो। या शिवम, नाइस। विच कॉलेज बाय द वे शिवम? मोहित का पूछूं तो याद रहता, मेरा याद नहीं। यार आई डोंट नो, आई न्यू कि प्रीवियस कंपनी में क्या करते थे, बट इस कंपनी में क्या करते थे, यू नेवर टोल्ड। अब अमेजोन में 10 चीजें, या आई नो योर टीम इज नॉट इन इंडिया, योर टीम इज आउटसाइड, बट और नहीं यार, बाकी तुमने बताया नहीं भाई। चेस में ग्राफिक्स अपडेट कब आएगा? गेम डेव भाई बताओ 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 बताओ। मजर भाई, चेस में ग्राफिक्स अपडेट कब आने वाला है? व्हेन आर वी गोइंग टू अपडेट द चेस की ग्राफिक्स? बिकॉज फॉर सो लॉन्ग चेस लुक्स लाइक द सेम। दैट्स योर पॉइंट राइट? मतलब कुछ इनोवेशन हो ही नहीं रहा है। स्वनन तो झक मारता, बस काम वाम कुछ नहीं करता। कुड बी ट्रू। कितनी टाइम कैप लगानी पड़ती है जस्ट सो दैट पीपल अंडरस्टैंड? आई रियली वॉन्ट टू नॉट यूज कैप। SVB Indore LOL took BTech because of peer pressure. I was interested in law. Oh wow, law university. I mean, your interest in law. Okay. टीम तो इधर है। You said SD1. कितने साल का एक्सपीरियंस हो गया स्वनन? 1.5 years का क्या? प्रमोशन इज इन दी कॉर्नर, होने वाला है प्रमोशन। नॉइस, गुड लक यार, गुड लक। शायद ही अक्टूबर में। चलो गुड लक, आई होप यू गेट प्रमोटेड यार। एंड शिवम, आई अंडरस्टैंड यार, पीयर प्रेशर, ऑल दिस थिंग, बट यू यूजिंग न्यू विम। Working as an AI engineer, working on computer vision mostly. Oh, that's nice. I've been AI engineer for so long, by the way. I think it's, I mean, not so long, just 2 to 3 years, or I don't know. I used to enjoy it a lot. Computer vision was always my favorite thing. I always wanted to do more of computer vision and all. But India में इतना होता नहीं है. Like, I mean, people just fake it and use keywords and all. I don't like it. Looking cute ना? इतने बाल होते हैं कितना अच्छा लगता है ना? डॉक्टरेट मिली है क्या? विभा भासु को पूछ रहे हो ना? विभा भासु, डू यू हैव अ डॉक्टरेट? लास्ट ईयर, सो न्यू टू जॉब। ओके 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 ओके, सो जस्ट पास बीटेक। ओके, आई वाज ऑलवेज इंटरेस्टेड इन कोडिंग बट नेवर वांटेड टू डू बीटेक। व्हाई? मेरे को देखा है कंप्यूटर विजन के नाम पे एनीमे पिक्चर देख जनरेट करवाता हूँ कंप्यूटर से। निकाल दे भाई कैप या नहीं नॉडी को। नहीं भाई, मैंने आई जस्ट यूज्ड टू, I was so used to doing computer vision for so long. I mean 4 years of my BTech just went with computer vision and all, and उसके बाद I started doing like cap not needed, you look great. Oh अच्छा, cap not needed. Okay, ये cap होती है, right. Sorry. AI engineer को, and thank you so much, you look great बोलने के लिए, झूठ बोलने के लिए thank you. नहीं, AI engineer is different. AI engineer is more like मॉडल्स को ऑप्टिमाइज करना, डिप्लॉय करना, पाइपलाइंस को डिप्लॉय करना, ऑप्टिमाइज करना, लाइफ को ऑप्टिमाइज करना, डिप्लॉय करना, यही चलता रहता है आधे वक्त। आई थिंक AI इंजीनियर इज जस्ट वे टू से दैट कि देखो पेपर लिखा गया, इसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर लो। नहीं यार, डेवऑप्स अलग है। डेवऑप्स, मैं डॉकर एंड ऑल की बात नहीं कर रहा, बट व्हेन यू आर लाइक ऑप्टिमाइजिंग द मॉडल्स, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल यूजिंग टेंसरआरटी, हैविंग अ C++ API ऑन द टॉप ऑफ इट, AWS मॉडल्स के साथ कैसे इंटरेक्ट होगा, DevOps इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट। यार आई स्टिल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दो DevOps, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। लाइक मुझे नहीं पता। लाइक आई मीन सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर में उन्होंने इतनी सारी चीज़ें डाल दी है ना कि अब कोई बोलते ना मैं फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर, तो वो लगता नहीं है कि यूर सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर, बिकॉज लाइक आई जस्ट शिट ऑन AI इंजीनियर्स। अरे बेशरम, बट ऐसा लगता है लाइक द थिंग इज इतने सारे डिविजन्स बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, राइट? लाइक ओ व्हाट डू यू डू? आई एम अ फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर। अच्छा ठीक है, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट नहीं आता होगा, फिर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स नहीं आता होगा, एक इमेज बन जाती है। लाइक इफ़ आई एम टेलिंग यू बैक एंड, तो जेंगो, फ्लास्क एंड ऑल दिमाग में घूम जाता है कि ठीक है वही आता होगा, बस इसको और कुछ नहीं आता। दैट्स व्हाट आई डोंट लाइक दैट, राइट? लाइक यार सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर हो, काम आता है, कंप्यूटर साइंस आती है, ठीक है, अब उसके बाद जो कंपनी में काम है वो करते हैं, बात खत्म। ठीक है, डाउन द लाइन मे बी यू वांट टू गेट एक्सपीरियंस्ड इन बैक एंड इंजीनियरिंग एंड ऑल, दैट्स ओके, बट वो एक इमेज बन जाती है, राइट? मैं हूँ भाई फ्रंट एंड वाला और नहीं आता डीएसए, कर लो बात। क्या करें भाई, बात अब छोड़ो, अब नहीं आता नहीं आता, जॉब है ना, बस खुश रहो। AI engineer or data scientist is like no boundaries, it's just what call at my workplace. Yeah, I mean, they just get everything done, right? Web dev is just copy pasting code, yeah. I mean, I'll stay out of it. There's one thing I would never want to do is developing a website. क्योंकि मुझे नहीं समझ में आता. One of the thing is I'm not creative enough. Second is I'm colorblind, half colorblind, like I get confused in colors sometimes. वेरी फ्यू कलर्स, बट वो बहुत डीप कलर्स में जब जाता है तो आई नो कि मैं मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा भाई. मैं आई एम अ डार्क एंड लाइक लाइट मोड वाला पर्सन, दैट्स इट. या फ्रंट एंड में CSS छाप देते हैं बच्चे. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, राइट? लाइक आई मीन व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज पीपल शुड स्टार्ट विद कंप्यूटर साइंस, ठीक है? एंड उसके बाद दे शुड मूव अहेड एंड से दैट ओके आई वांट एन एक्सपर्टीज इन दिस फील्ड. स्टार्ट ही वो लोग जावास्क्रिप्ट से करते हैं. लाइक दे आर लाइक फक कंप्यूटर साइंस. मेरे को मतलब नहीं है हाउ डज एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम वर्क, मेरे को मतलब नहीं है हाउ डज अ डेटाबेस वर्क, राइट? दे आर लाइक कि फ्रंट एंड करना है जावास्क्रिप्ट पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है, बैक एंड पढ़ना है पाइथन करेंगे, सिस्टम प्रोग्रामिंग पढ़नी है, ये लैंग्वेज पढ़ी, काम खत्म. नहीं, यू नीड टू नो बेसिक्स, राइट? लाइक यार आप इंडिगो में पायलट हो, आपको वो पर्टिकुलर एयरलाइन वाला जो प्लेन है वो यू नो हाउ टू राइड इट एंड ऑल. बट अगर अगले दिन आप प्रमोट होकर कहीं और जाओगे, इफ यू गोइंग टू एनी अदर एयरलाइन, तो उसके फंक्शंस को समझने के लिए यू नीड टू नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. इमरजेंसी मोड में यू नीड टू नो कि इंजन काम कैसे करता है, राइट? भाई मेरा तो iOS डोमेन था, बजाज वाले सी लोगों ने वेब में हकाल दिया. या आई नो, राइट? कलर ब्लाइंड नहीं है, इट्स कॉल्ड बीइंग अ गाय, ओनली गर्ल्स कैन फिगर आउट. एग्जैक्ट, ओके दिस वाज डबल मीनिंग मे बी, बट आई विल टेल इट्स रियल. लाइक कोई आके बोले इट्स ग्रासी ग्रीन, is siege blue, is I don't know, greenish yellow. अरे ग्रीन है या येलो है, राइट? लाइक आई मीन एक कलर बताओ ना, बात खत्म करो. लाइक कुछ भी होता है, मुझे क्रेयॉन्स वाले कलर्स बहुत अच्छे से पता है, राइट? लाइक इफ यू टेल मी कि हाँ ये कलर क्या है, मुझे पता है कि क्रेयॉन वाला कलर ब्लैक कैसे दिखता है, ये ब्लैक ही है ना, राइट? अब उसके बाद लोग आके बोलते हैं कि नहीं दिस इज मुझे बोलना ही नहीं है. अब एक टाइम पे आके बोलेंगे जो गोवा में बीच है ना, ये वो वाला ब्लू है, राइट? आई एम लाइक अरे भाई बस करो. वेब डेव इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्कोप फॉर फ्रीलांसिंग एंड प्रिंटिंग डॉलर्स. या ट्रू, a lot of people just want website and get it done, right? Like the thing is उसमें they don't want consistently कि maintain करते रहो and all, या फिर ज़्यादा innovation नहीं है. maybe that's why, I don't know. मैं तो C से शुरू किया था सही से. good. I've seen kids mixing DSA and development. Yup, DSA is not development. People still like code like this, and I'm like, what? Like, is this how we do it? And then what they do is they do Control S and then it's auto save. Okay, so auto save okay, auto format हो गया है, then it looks good. I'm like, nahin, you know, like ऐसा मत करो. It's nothing wrong with it, okay? I understand everyone learns, but then they are not even open to. मेरा एक zero, hi. W. अब वेब डेव नहीं होता. Difference between colors लमाओ, right? C is so good to learn about memory and stuff. Can't do that with Python JS. Yeah, I mean low level language, right? Like I mean you get to learn a lot. Like by default as well you have to like अच्छा यहाँ पे like you have to malloc करना पड़ेगा, realloc करना पड़ेगा, calloc करना पड़ेगा, blah blah करना पड़ेगा. Then you kind of understand कि अच्छा ठीक है, when you have to create something you have to allocate memory to it, right? तो the whole point is not being like C कैसी language है, C is good and bad, वो उस बात पे debate अलग चलता रहेगा. The whole point is that C gives you very less control. Like it doesn't give you cooked things, right? It gives you more control on things, which is good and bad, right? If you see like why is C not memory safe and why should people start using Rust, जो White House का जो blog था, it was all about saying that कि this low level, there's a guy called low level programming or something on YouTube. Okay, you guys should check it out. He has more than 300,000 subscribers. He made a video on it and he said that it's true that person who knows how to use C will keep it memory safe. I understand, but the whole point is it's very hard to know C enough to make it memory safe इतने like huge domain में, right? यशवंत कानेटकर को कितना लोग जानता है? यशवंत कानेटकर is the World Cup squad में person क्या? कानेटकर used to be a bowler. I don't know who is यशवंत कानेटकर, पता नहीं. Let me see. बट अगर देखूंगा तो चीटिंग कहलाएगी ना. बट देख सकता हूँ यार मैं. Let us see. Oh, sorry. Ouch. Sorry. Let us see. हाँ. Yes. यशवंत. Sorry यार. वो I never studied Let us see. क्योंकि sorry यार. I mean I'm graduated 4 years back. ये सी सीखे हैं सुन लो. अरे यार नहीं. I'm sorry guys. Don't unsubscribe me. But yeah, I know see ऐसा नहीं है. But Let us see यार वो एनडी टाइप नंदलाल दयाराम टाइप लगती थी, यू नो दीज. तो क्योंकि प्रोफेसर जो सजेस्ट करते थे वो जनरली मैं स्किप करता था. गो इज अ परफेक्ट मिडल ग्राउंड ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस. कुड बी. आई वांटेड टू लर्न गोलैंग बट अभी इतना हो नहीं पाता. कॉलेज में यही चलता था भाई. हाँ, आई थिंक मेरे टाइम पे मैंने कभी बुक प्रेफर नहीं किया. लाइक इट इज़ अ बैड थिंग. आई एम नॉट सजेस्टिंग दैट एवरीवन शुड डू इट, बट मुझसे बुक होती नहीं थी इतना. लाइक आई वाज मोर लाइक वो CS50 का कोर्स किया था. इफ़ यू नो अबाउट CS50, दोज हु आर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ विथ लैंग्वेज, आई थिंक प्रोग्रामिंग इज अ रियली गुड कोर्स. David J. Mellon, right? So I was more like a David J. Mellon person than Yashwant Kanetkar. Some designers are too good with JS and CSS stuff, art stuff. Yeah. You see, everyone will know a language at some point of time, right? आपका expector क्या है? I always say this thing, when you're in a corporate job, you need to have an expector, right? Ki what is that thing that you get to the, like you bring to the table that others might not. There will be someone better than you for sure. But no, there's something that you know right now which the other person might not. It could be context. Yeah, I mean, yes, that's what I'm saying, right? Like, I mean, a lot of people, even CSS say you can do amazing things. Like, there's this like CSS को कहाँ host करते हो तुम लोग? What is it? CodePen.io or something, right? जहाँ पे people post all these snippets. They have outstanding things with CSS. Like, they haven't even used JavaScript and they've done cool things with CSS. So the thing is, if you know something, do it CodePen, right? Do it great. Like, I mean, go to the depth of it and try to understand, but also know the computer science if you want to be a really good developer. Because AI ऐसा कुछ difficult part नहीं है, okay? Like, I mean, I understand बहुत सारी mathematics and all, but अगर AI engineer बनना है, you still have to do a lot of coding and अंडरस्टैंडिंग ग्राफ समझना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि डीप लर्निंग इज लॉट ऑफ ग्राफ. अब ग्राफ ऑप्टिमाइजेशन कैसे करोगे, तो डेटा स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ा तो पता होना चाहिए. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि लीड कोड करो, कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग करो, वो सबकी पर्सनल चॉइस है. मैं ये भी नहीं कहता कि ओपन सोर्स करो, बट सी एट द एंड इज डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, लाइक राइट. AI is retarded. One thing that I like, if anything that is practical to me, is reinforcement learning. It feels like life. You do it, you get punished, you do it again. You do it, you get punished, you do it again. Right? If you do it well, you get rewarded. You do it bad, you get punished. Right? So reinforcement learning sounds like a thing to me. Right? So I mean, starting say, I used to feel like reinforcement learning के papers पढ़ने चाहिए, because for self-driving cars, reinforcement learning was still going on, right, at that time. Open source is getting written in lead code. It's a good debate to have. I think a lot of people are going to jump on it and say that अगर मैं agree किया तो, but AI boring लगता है भाई. Plan is to learn ARM assembly and go into full hardware mode. क्या बात है, क्या बात है, शाबाश. छोड़ दो ये सब, कॉपी पेन पे कोड लिखो and get it done. RL is good but LLM वगैरह नहीं. I just want to first understand the workings properly, फिर ही बोलूँगा कि it is worth it. I mean, yeah, आराम से, take your time. I mean, see, you don't need to form opinions unless until you know it, right? So take your time, understand what it is, and then try to form opinions if you want to, right? ऐसा नहीं है कि you should have opinions about everything. Like कभी कभी होता है ना, some people come and say that my teammate is really good. I'm generally like, I don't agree and I don't disagree because I don't know your teammate. बात खत्म. I don't have any opinions, but at the same point of time, my appreciation is going to take a... I should know the person before appreciating, because उसकी फिर value खत्म हो जाती है, right? Like, so if I say that, okay, no, this person is good without knowing them, then फिर मैं किसी और को बोलूँगा, it's going to sound the same, right? LLM's internal working, like, be able to predict the output which humans cannot do. Try to understand. I mean, look at it. There's always some paper on it that how to reverse engineer these models and all. I'm pretty sure that there'll be some paper or review blog on it or something. Nice, but I think we had a lot of people join today. I think this time works for a lot of people. I did not know, but nobody has subscribed so far. I'm at 1209 guys. One, चलो ठीक है. No force. I should not do that. Sorry, that's not me. चलो ठीक है. I think 90 minutes up guys for stream. I'm gonna hop off now. Let me say goodbye like this. Thank you so much for joining guys. Really appreciate it. And same. Perfect. Okay. Let's all take some rest. Tomorrow is weekend guys. Enjoy your weekend. Okay. Don't let anyone control your life. Enjoy. खुश रहो सब लोग ठीक है. Do a lot of good things that you want to do in life. And enjoy की definition अपने आप से डाल लेना. किसी को दारू पीनी है दारू पियो. किसी को खेलना है खेलो. जिम जाना है जिम जाओ. पढ़ाई करना है पढ़ाई करो. Do whatever you guys want. Oh hi Pavan. I didn't know that you were here. I'm sorry if I missed any of your messages. I hope I didn't. Kushashu can control my life. Wink wink. Bhaiya, all the pickup lines you have to use it in this chat only. The pickup lines I expect from my future non-existing girl. He's not gay. He just uses pickup lines and he gives suggestions. Chalo, cool. Thank you so much, guys. Good night. I generally call it, by the way, might sound thoda creepy and all, whatever, but I do say gunni. But feel free to say gunni. That's something I use on my stream as good night. So take care, everyone. Gunni. Have a good night, guys. Have a good night. Take care. I hope I can get some sleep. I really hope. Let me stop the music. Now it is gay. Gonna say that to my girl. Okay, so no one is saying gunni, okay? Chalo, bye. Take care, guys. See you on Discord. Please keep the chat active, guys. Come on, है ना? कुछ डालते रहा करो Discord पे. It feels good कि कभी depressed होता हूँ तो जाके Discord देख लेता हूँ. I know people are gonna chat. So it feels good, okay? Take care. Bye.